How to transfer money from Credit Agricole to another bank. So you can do this on the mobile app. So go ahead to your Play Store and search for Credit Agricole. Now it's gonna look something like this. So just choose from whichever actually, but as long as you are able to log in into your bank account. But once you're in your account, you're gonna have to navigate yourself to your transfer. Also make sure the bank account you're going to transfer to is also already ready. You know the details of that, but go ahead to the transfer option here right beside the menu and just press on make a transfer. So once you do that, you're gonna have to choose from which account you're gonna do this transfer, and then you're gonna choose from which account. But once you pretty much chose your account, this will pretty much just send money to a different Agricole bank. But let's say you want a different bank account other than your own Agricole bank account. Then you're gonna have to make use of this, which is Wero over here. Send or request money with Wero. This is the option you're gonna have to use in order to transfer money from a different bank account. So we're gonna explain a bit what Wero is. So it's basically just a payment system and a little bit like a mobile wallet that lets people send and receive money almost instantly between bank accounts. So by using just a phone number or your Agricole account, you should be able to send it to another bank as long as you have the bank details as well. So go ahead with this feature over here and you should be able to transfer money from your Credit Agricole to another bank. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.